Data modeling in Excel involves organizing and structuring data in a way that allows for efficient analysis, reporting, and visualization. While Excel is not a dedicated database management system, it provides features and tools that can be used for basic data modeling. When we start modeling applications, there are a few things that need special attention. In Excel, one can reference data between sheets in the same workbook using cell references, formulas, and, in some cases, named ranges. There may be complex relationships where there are values that need to be entered in one sheet that have an impact on other sheets. Certain sheets may need to be constantly in sync, i.e., if there is change in one sheet, the other sheet needs that information to do some calculations. There can be worksheets that have values that are used in another sheet as drop-down lists, or values that can be used for validation purposes. These relationships between sheets help with building user-friendly applications. All Excel workbooks comprise of worksheets, and all worksheets comprise of rows and columns. And we know the intersection of rows and columns are cells. Boardwalk works on a rectangle of cells, where each cell has a row and a column coordinate. Every row and column in the Boardwalk system has a unique ID across the database. Not only that, the sequence in which the rows and columns appear is also stored. Thus, when Boardwalk stores data in its database, it stores the data at the cell level and along with it the row and column where the cell appears. When the data is brought back into a worksheet, the data is brought back preserving the sequence of the rows and columns, thus replicating the image of the data stored. And the view is always of the latest data. Microsoft Excel has several strengths when it comes to building applications, especially for tasks related to data analysis and simple automation. Here are some of Excel's strengths in application development. Excel provides a user-friendly interface that is familiar to many users, which makes it easy for individuals with basic spreadsheet skills to create simple applications without extensive programming knowledge. And, for experienced individuals, programming language support (VBA) is available. Excel allows for quick and easy prototyping of applications. Users can experiment with formulas, functions, and data structures to create prototypes and refine their applications rapidly. A wide range of built-in formulas and functions are available that enable users to perform complex calculations and manipulations of data. This makes it suitable for applications involving mathematical and statistical operations. Excel's conditional formatting features allow users to visually highlight specific data points based on predefined criteria. This enhances the readability and usability of applications. Users can leverage built-in functions, pivot tables, graphs and charts to analyze and visualize data within their applications, in the process creating visually appealing dashboards and reports. While Excel is a versatile tool for data analysis and spreadsheet management, it has certain limitations when it comes to building applications. Here are some weaknesses. Excel is not designed for handling large datasets or complex applications. As the amount of data or the complexity of calculations increases, Excel may become slow and less efficient. Excel lacks robust security features, making it vulnerable to unauthorized access and data breaches. It is not suitable for handling sensitive or confidential information in applications that require high-level security. Managing version control can be challenging in Excel, especially when multiple users are working on the same file simultaneously. This can lead to data inconsistencies and errors. While Excel does support collaboration features, it may not be as robust as dedicated collaboration platforms or tools. Deploying and versioning Excel applications can be challenging, especially in larger organizations. Ensuring that everyone is using the correct version of the application can be cumbersome. While Excel allows some integration with external data sources, it may not seamlessly integrate with other software or databases. This can limit the overall functionality and interoperability of applications. Excel remains a powerful tool for certain tasks, and its limitations may not be significant for simpler applications or scenarios. However, for more complex and scalable applications, dedicated application development platforms like Boardwalk are more suitable.